Hello, all my Hornets out there. I hope all my Hornets are having a great day. My name is Albert, and I work at the Career Center as a communications assistant and the front desk. So, what I'm here to show you all today is how to schedule an appointment at the Career Center. So, without further ado, I'm going to share my screen with you all, and give me 1 second, and we'll get these cameras rolling. Let's go. All right. So, I'm at the Sac State website, the Sac State homepage, as I like to call it. What I usually do is I type in Sac State, and it should be the first thing that pops up on Google, my Google search. So after I type in Sac State, I go to the search bar here. I call this one the Sac State search. I don't know if everybody else called it differently, but what I call it is a Sac State search. After I do that, I want to type in Career Center. After I type in Career Center, Sac State Career Center, our homepage should be the first one that pops up. After I do that, I click this, and now I'm at the Career Center homepage, and we have some featured tools here. We're gonna go over. We're just gonna name it. We're gonna talk about it probably in another video, I would assume. So we have Handshake, Smart Thinking Resume Cover Letter, Big Interview, Resume Help, Focus to Career, What Can I Do with This Major, Sac State Career Center, Network, Hired Podcast, On-Demand Career Workshops. So what we're gonna focus on today is schedule an appointment. Right here, we're gonna scroll down here, then we're gonna click Students, Alumni, Make an Appointment with Staff. After we click that, it should take us to EAB, and if you're logged into your My Sac State, it'll just be right here. However, most of everyone might have to log into their My Sac State, but if not, oh well. Anyways, we're on the advising. What you want to do here we're already on EAB, so what you guys want to do is click advising, and you want to select your service. We're gonna go look for Career Center, and we have a whole bunch of Career Center options here, such as career exploration, graduate studies advising, Hornet launch, internship / job assistant, interview coaching, resume development, selecting a major, student employment. What I want to do, let's say, whatever fits. So for me, maybe resume development fits me the best. So I'm gonna click that. And let's aim for Thursday, September 23rd, find available times, it'll load. Then let's say, I'm not really a morning person, but I guess we can make a 10:30 to 11 a.m. work. So let's click that. And here's all your good information. We're meeting with Melissa. She's really great, a great advisor. We're meeting on September 23rd, 2021 at 10:30 to 11 a.m. to discuss our resume development. All this information, it says location at Career Center. However, we're all doing virtual. Here's the links. I think all the details we need. And how would you like to meet is virtual. So they should email you if you select this email reminder. After that, we click schedule, and voila. I'm not gonna click schedule because I don't need the Career Center appointment yet. It'd be great in the future, but just click schedule and you'll have your appointment. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen right now, and I'm gonna say, I hope all my Hornets are having a great day. And I guess this is all I have to say for this video. Have a good one until next time. Adios.